Cheesecake is a delicious treat. Let's follow this recipe along pictures for a perfect cake. This is delish to serve and get together. Ingredients. For the crust: butter 1 tablespoon, for greasing the pan. Finely crushed cookies ½ cup. Melted butter 1 tablespoon. For the filling: regular cream cheese 16 ounces. Sugar ½ cup. Eggs 2 large. Fresh squeezed lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Fresh lemon zest 1 teaspoon, grated. Fresh orange zest 1 to 2 teaspoons. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Directions. 1. Prepare a foil strip for lifting the cake out of the pressure cooker by taking an 18 strip of foil and double folding it twice lengthwise. Set trivet inside the pressure cook and add 2 cups of water. Place the foil strip on the bottom of the pan and up the sides. Place a wire stand in cooker. Grease spring form pan with butter. 3. Mix melted butter and crushed cookies and set at the base of spring form pan. Use your fingers to make a smooth base. Mix together cream cheese and sugar with electric beater until smooth. Fold in eggs, lemon juice, lemon and orange zest along vanilla essence. Do not overmix. 5. Pour batter in pan. Carefully place the pan on stand. Turn down foil strips so that they do not interfere with closing the lid. 6. Cover the lid, with whistle on. First create pressure over high heat, then low down heat and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from the heat and allow the pressure to come down naturally. It takes 5 to 7 minutes. 8. Unlock the pressure cooker and carefully take the pan out. Cool pan on wire rack. 9. If there is some water on top of cheesecake, blot it with a paper towel. The cheesecake will look a little puffy, almost like a dense souffle. As it cools, it condenses. 10. To remove from the pan, run a thin knife around the inside of the pan. Release the spring and remove the round pan rim.